see all them sticks up there in the way? All right?
Yeah, that is electric.
Yeah, that on the shonky air. I need to get the chainsaw out, cut out some of this garbage.
Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
If you had a straight run from down there like you used to. It takes you 5 or 6 times to get your trail laid out. You get a chainsaw and cut this damn tree right here. Rascal. Well, it bit there now. Hoss, come here. Yeah, he laid it down. He's getting up. See?
It ain't flat. It
No.
looks like it is.
I got him made her. Yeah, he made it up the hill.
Climb it.
Jumped her sideways.
Yeah,
Some trees are probably hanging in.
Them damn trees are dangerous. You imagine hitting one of them face on. We need to cut that leaning cherry out for sure.